Micardis Hct is a medication used to treat high blood pressure. It helps prevent strokes, heart attacks, and kidney problems by lowering high blood pressure. This product contains two medications, Telmisartan and hydrochlorothiazide. Telmisartan relaxes blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily, while hydrochlorothiazide is a diuretic that increases the amount of urine you make. This medication is used when one drug alone is not controlling your blood pressure. Your doctor may have you start with the individual medications before switching to this combination product, if it is the best dose combination for you. When taking Micardis Hct, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions and take it once daily, with or without food. Try to avoid taking it within 4 hours of bedtime to prevent frequent urination during the night. The dosage will depend on your medical condition and how you respond to the treatment. It's crucial to take this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. Make sure to take it at the same time each day, even if you feel well. Remember, it may take up to 4 weeks before you notice the full benefits of this drug. If you also take certain drugs to lower your cholesterol, make sure to take Micardis Hct at least 4 hours before or after these medications. Lastly, if your condition does not improve or worsens, be sure to consult your doctor. When taking Micardis Hct, you may experience dizziness, lightheadedness, tiredness, and diarrhea as your body adjusts to the medication. If these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. To reduce the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness, get up slowly when rising from a sitting or lying position. Keep in mind that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have deemed that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. This product may cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Contact your doctor immediately if you experience symptoms such as extreme thirst, very dry mouth, muscle cramps/weakness, fast/slow/irregular heartbeat, or confusion. Inform your doctor promptly if you experience any serious side effects, including fainting, signs of kidney problems, toe/joint pain, symptoms of high potassium blood level, decrease in vision, eye pain, or a serious allergic reaction. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Remember to consult your doctor for medical advice about side effects, and report any side effects to the appropriate regulatory authority in your country. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, do not take Micardis Hct. It can cause serious harm to an unborn baby. Use reliable forms of birth control while taking this medication. If you think you may be pregnant, contact your doctor immediately. Before taking Micardis Hct, it's important to discuss any allergies with your doctor or pharmacist. Additionally, you should inform them of your medical history, especially if you have kidney or liver disease, dehydration, gout, or diabetes. This medication may cause dizziness, so it's important to avoid alcohol or marijuana while taking it. If you experience excessive sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting, be sure to stay hydrated and report any prolonged symptoms to your doctor. It's also important to inform your doctor of all the products you use before having any surgery. If you have diabetes, be sure to monitor your blood sugar regularly and discuss any changes with your doctor. This medication may also affect your potassium levels, so consult your doctor before using potassium supplements or salt substitutes. Micardis Hct may make you more sensitive to the sun and increase your risk for skin cancer, so it's important to limit your time in the sun and use sunscreen. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially dizziness and changes in urine output. If you are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, it's essential to speak to your doctor about the risks and benefits of using Micardis Hct. Additionally, consult your doctor before breastfeeding while taking this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Micardis Hct. This could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with this drug include aliskiren, dofetilide, lithium, and drugs that may increase the level of potassium in the blood. It's also important to be cautious with products that could raise your blood pressure or worsen your heart failure. Be sure to tell your pharmacist what products you are using, and ask how to use them safely. Additionally, Micardis Hct may interfere with certain lab tests, possibly causing false results. Make sure lab personnel and all your doctors know you use this drug. Always follow your doctor's instructions and consult with them before making any changes to your medication. If you suspect an overdose and see someone passing out or having trouble breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact your local poison control center. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include a fast heartbeat, severe dizziness, and fainting. It's important not to share Micardis Hct with others. While taking this medication, it's essential to have regular medical and lab tests, including kidney function, blood mineral levels, and skin exams. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. In addition to taking Micardis Hct, lifestyle changes such as stress reduction programs, exercise, and dietary changes may help the medication work better. You can also talk to your doctor or pharmacist about other lifestyle changes that might benefit you. It's crucial to have your blood pressure checked regularly while taking Micardis Hct. You can also learn how to monitor your own blood pressure at home and share the results with your doctor to ensure you're getting the most out of your medication. If you forget to take a dose of Micardis Hct, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to take Micardis Hct exactly as prescribed by your doctor to get the most benefit from it. When storing Micardis Hct, it's important to keep it at room temperature, away from light and moisture. If the medication comes in a bottle, make sure to keep the container tightly closed. It's also crucial to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of expired or unneeded medication, it's best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company on the proper way to discard it. Remember not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.